Today we will debunk the 5 myths that every beginner trader should know. Welcome back to the channel. If you're a new trader or getting yourself into trading, today's video is vital. So let's uncover the 5 myths. First up, the old age allure of get rich quick. Remember, while success stories exist, trading requires a lot of patience, time and strategy. It's a marathon, not a sprint. So have a long-term trading goal. If you're looking to get rich overnight, this game is not for you. Number 2, trading is easy. Yes, with today's technology, it's very easy to press a button, but successful trading, that's an art and science combined. It demands a lot of dedication and education. So if you're looking to get into this full time, make sure you do the work. So if you think what you learn online for free is a holy grail, you're in for a surprise. The third myth is that you can start with pocket change. Yes, the barriers are low today, but remember, limited capital equals to limited options, resulting in potential higher risk. Myth 4, more trades, more profits. Look, it's all about quality over quantity. Overtrading can lead to higher costs and higher risk. So in this scenario, strategy is king. And finally, the foolproof strategy. If someone is promising a guaranteed win, be skeptical. Every strategy has its day in the sun and its rainy days too. Remember, trading is complex. It offers rewards but not without risk. So equip yourself with knowledge and stay wary of too good to be true promises. Just stay educated. That's it for today. If you found this insightful, make sure to like, subscribe, share it with your friends, and on to some more myth-busting trading content.